And if you're an entrepreneur, especially a creative entrepreneur, and you've been struggling to find where the real money is at in your business, this workshop is for you. Because whether you like it or not, if your business is generating any kind of revenue, you've already got a business model. So why not create one that's going to support you to have the lifestyle that you want, do the things that are important to you, and stay aligned with your values and your goals. That means no more pain in the ass clients. That means building a business in a way that works for how you're wired to work, that's also custom tailored to your unique, specific situation. Because all of us have our own unique stories and threads, our own unique circumstances, and they impact our business. When you're a solopreneur, when you're a micropreneur, when you're a creative entrepreneur on your own, you don't run your business. Your world does not operate the same as a regular corporate structure. And that's because the things in your life impact your business, and the things in your business impact your life. So I want to teach you a very simple, easy to use way to build your business model in a way that works for you.